you definitely need this particular scrub. Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show us a DIY homemade cinnamon and honey scrub. And so recently I started having pimples outbreak. I think I'm reacting to a change of location, so I decided to make this video for all of you that out there that have acne issues or acne outbreak. So if this sounds like something you're interested in knowing, do keep on watching this video. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscription button below this video and like and share this video. As you can see, I'm just applying this scrub to my face, and then I'll go over to blend everything and make sure the scrub gets into my skin. As we know, honey is a very good scar removing agent. So let's just get right to the main video. So what we need for this tutorial is your honey scrub. That is my honey scrub, my branded honey scrub, cinnamon and bowl. And then I'm going to scoop out 1 tablespoon of my honey scrub and then transfer that into the clean bowl, and then take a half teaspoon of my cinnamon powder and mix both together. Honey is very good because it helps to lighten scars, though it might take a while, but you just have to be consistent like I said earlier, and then the products are going to work. So as you can see, I'm just scooping that out, and then I'll add my half teaspoon of my cinnamon and mix like I've earlier said. The good thing about this cinnamon and honey is that they have very similar properties. Like honey and cinnamon helps treat eczema individually, so if you want to treat eczema, this particular scrub is very good for you. And the benefit of cinnamon is that it helps to keep your skin glowing. It also heals acne because it has antifungal and antioxidant properties. It heals skin blemishes just as honey does. It also dries out the skin and supports blood flow to the skin. So if you have acne, this is a very good scrub for you. Welcome back, guys. So I just applied my scrub and I'm going to be waiting for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wash up. Now I'm going to use this activated charcoal mask. It is necessary to use this mask after scrubbing your face because exfoliating your face leaves your skin and your pores open. So applying this activated charcoal mask will help pick out those dead cells and keep your skin supple and soft. As you can see, I'm just applying that and make sure it gets evenly distributed. Then I'll wait for as long as the mask dries off, and then I'm going to take the mask off like so. After taking off the mask, it is very necessary for you to use a moisturizer or the avocado mask as earlier shown in my previous videos, or use a vitamin C serum. So guys, this is what my face looks like. As you can see, my skin looks glowing. If you want to purchase any of these products, the links will be in my description box. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you all. Bye.